Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to access hidden Wi-Fi menu. How to access hidden Wi-Fi menu in Samsung Galaxy phone. The first thing you do is tap on settings, then you tap on connections, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, tap on advanced. As you can see, these are options. Then another set of options you can access is by turning on your Wi-Fi. Then you tap on the three dots at the top right corner, tap on Wi-Fi direct. You can see this option. Then another Wi-Fi option that is hidden is you can see it by tapping on mobile hotspots and tethering. Tap on mobile hotspot again, tap on configure. Here you can configure your Wi-Fi name, security, the password, and then you tap on advanced. You can see more options: broadcast channel, set mobile data limit, mark address types, not when the device is connected. So you can set all this. Hidden network, where you can make your mobile hotspot name to not appear. The list of available Wi-Fi networks. Then we also have a last option, which is to help enhance security of mobile hotspot, so older net devices will not be able to connect. So it's as simple as that. That is how to access hidden Wi-Fi menu in Samsung Galaxy. Thanks for watching.